Yes, peeps, January. Good night. Pleasant good night, you know. Yeah, man. Out here another night pan them cause I find out say, boy, at night me have to come out, you know, man. You know, fishing are my thing to one. No time for do it either, so I say, boy, if I even night, you know, man, me have to contact two of them, you know. At night, me have to forward, you know. So, you know, right now, my partner this right now, you know, man. You see me? One dude. You see me? From Fido from them. There I got my partner here now, you know. God. One swap. Yeah, bush out. Through the business and through me have to do what me have to do. That me I thought when so me have a lesson and chop. I show me a video, man. You take your lesson go front. Take your lesson go front. Show me a video, man. Can't get fit chop. You go on the front, man. Yeah, man. So as me I tell you, through your work and thing, every man kinda I do them one thing, you know. So when every man have time, he busy. You see me? When me have time, every man I do them thing. So and do that for just do away at the car. Okay, peeps, so reach from the spot here now, you see it? Go by this street, man, low and light. Yeah, man. Over this street, see over there look at night time. Light. I'm pretty like over Portmore still. I don't know more behind them place, the whole chain them place, but we have one little amount of light, you know? Go to, eh? Yeah, man, a community them, man, and a big place like, you know, them Portmore. But we're there still. Tonight, we have the guardo when I catch one day. I use him for bait. I bait him up because I just start bait him for one night. So I finish bait him, you know. I have lobster. Nice lobster there. I have chicken skin. I have more lobster. And sprat in another bag here. Sprat and lobster. Chicken skin and guardo. You think you're hungry? Yeah. Oh. So that is it, peeps. Them there are the bait we have. Eh? Sit. Put on piece of bait pan, piece of fish pan this. I'm going to set here right now, you see me? Pray see I can catch one big jack or one snapper or something. I'll go and stay tuned there, you know? It sound like a compressor them a dive out there. But I don't see no light in the water, so I'm gonna dive and without light. Can't compressor. I compressor, it just start up on them or something. Because I hear it sound, you know, but I don't see no light. Can't dive at night without light. You go, why? But babes, we're there. Set a line there. Do make him first throw. Make my first throw, you know, I have piece of sprat and piece of lobster already. Piece of lobster. You see me? So I make my first throw. I set two line out there. Two of them have an yard up on them. One a float and one sink. So go and stay tuned. What? Frighten me a while ago, I think I'm gone, you know. Go and stay tuned, peeps. How's up, people? Again. They say, When I catch lobster, what you do? Lucky. Look at this, peeps. Watch him boy got hide. Watch him. I think a stone in there and it rock it up. Show up yourself, make people see you. Look at that, peeps. First catch again for the night, tonight again. One night, me catch one of them first. Start off the night. Look again. Look again. First one, this base. Start off the night for me. Boss on the one there. Boss make a bad jig a while ago. I say yes. Boss lead me I know. The boss not get none. Look at that, peeps. Nice, go Africa, you know. Easy, I say, where you go? Easy, here come man. I'm going to man. Come on, man, I'm going to man. Yeah, come man. I walk it, you go. Walk it, you come go and walk it. Go and walk it, yeah. Go and go jump up there. In the sea, if you go jump up. In the sea, if you go jump up. Oh, bad! Only for last time we have now. I can put on some, I have to done after me now. Put on some till when we're ready for go see again, you see it? I mean, I have to go see if I can get some more. Put them down. See you tuned, peeps. That's our first one. Lobster. Yes, peeps. Out here. About an hour now. Catch you one lobster. Nothing. Liam, I just say. You know what? Move from your song and try down one spot down there. So. I may ever catch one and two. I'm going to go down there. There's a nice snapper. Yeah, you can read here, you can guard it. Look at God bless snapper. Go down there, catch. But I left him down there still. I'm go down there. You see me floater line, you see me? I end up left him down there still, but I go back down there so. As soon as I reach down there, you will see him. You see me? Yeah. Come, fuck off a king on me. Everything with me have up so I can take up. Some people left them, eh?
No man, can't go.
Yeah man. If you are young, no? Who young you go show you? Yeah, girl. Xin vậy? Người ta xin cái. Hả? Long time you have to bleach and nothing now go on, so I come down here, so I come down here, so. And chew our first chew, nice little snapper. You see me? So I don't waste no more time, I go see if I can hold no more, you see me? Go and stay tuned. Why babe? Why babes? Like I wanna move then say. So one them I give me every spot I stop. One and move. So I catch a lobster up there so. Come here just come catch a snapper. Movements again car. One and move then say boy. And 2:30. Go down a flat rock and I'll go see what I can go on a flat rock. Do the make a stop so but not look like nothing I go and film. Kill nothing? Eh? Kill nothing? Give a pick. Go down here sir. Yeah, they're ready. Flat rock. And then we go over there. Take the flat rock and go on there and go up on the front. Go down a flat rock, but test them and go on with it, you know? Stay tuned, I'm reach down there. And if nothing go on here, we'll see what is it. See me? Wanna move them say. Why babes, it look like dude get something big up here. Then a ball out. Yo. Then look like he get something big up here, star. Boss a laugh now. Yo. And what go on? What go on? What go on? You broke your ducks? Where do I? Where do I? Make sure something big you call yo. Wendy? How the bomb ball? Buy what? Yeah man, yo wanna call that. Say something big man catch. Me a run a come over here to bomb ball. Georgia. I do that easy. I run a come over there. Yo. Let's go on still. Yes, that's something big man catch to bomb ball. Stop time by it, pan.
But I say down there, that's all little fish now, man.
Yeah, feel pick over here though. I don't get no pick over there, sir. Yeah, that's a one nice little spot, man. Yeah. Will he come back over here too, you know? Huh? Nothing going on down here, so. You come back up here, sir, and then we left to go flat here. Over, so. Why? And catch a little one there. I run left my line them and everything to go on there. See if there's something big man I take up. Man, let me go over something there on my line over there. Oh God. Yes, man, people. You know how long this boy down there trouble me. I'm pretty. Yes, man, a boy a fat. A coins. A boy a fat, man, I lie. Big boy this, you know, man. Oh, boy, look there, man. Look at that. Dude say him catch one nice sour fish over there. Puffer fish. Sour fish are. What you say name? Sour fish, yeah. Sour fish. Or whatsoever you want him. Nice one dude catch over there. But you will soon see him still. When me and him link up back you will see him. But look at this. Just take up the bow here. Right, so that's my third one so far. And stay tuned up people. More out there. I feel them a touch me now, man. Come on from there. After your check, oh. After your check. That is it. And stay tuned. Yeah, no peeps. Look at that. Well, go on there. Yeah, your friends game. I want another guardo, you know. Nice one in the night, yeah. Bop. Yeah, man. Now I'm playing with them, man. Better what? 3, before this now. I take time and climb. Taking time climbing. That's no problem. No problem with that. Like guardo out them, I have to go send out a line to catch 2 guardo, man. You know me? Go and stay tuned up, peeps. They here, you know? One more upon them. You see me? Dude upstream up, so I not even know where I'm going, but him up there, so you see me? Yeah, man. That is it, peeps. Go and stay tuned, man. They are go and do the do. See if we can catch 2 more, you see me? That is it! This is what I came out here for! This is what I came out here for! This is what I Bop! What are you doing? Here, what a big jack them! Boy, take off a whole line off a ball. I'm not even gonna notice. Jaja, baby! You! Where's that? Yeah. Nice one. Boy, take off a whole line ball. Not even gonna notice him. Look there, man. Look at that. Look at that. That is a perfect about 5-pounder or a 6-pounder. Bomba! Look like all a 7-pounder! Yo! Feel good, youth. I'm not lie. Hey, if this year get it, told me heart a beat. The boy go right now and hold it now. Ja. Thank you, Father. Yeah, man, the boy fight, man. My finger about me like, oh, me I tell you. But look like more out there, so me I go guilty up and set up and go out the back against the other one bite the dog. Another one bite. Whoa, man. Yo! Remember, youth. I go guilty up and go out the back. Stay tuned up, people. More out there. This is what? 5, 50, 5 on the board. Whoa, babes. Well, dude, get a nice sauce up over here. You carry me in, dude? What sauce up this? You know what I mean? I can just call that and pick him out, man.
Ready?
Bomba. See, man. Yeah, them up here play. Ja. Now my voice just tell me if I come up here, no peeps. Watch out. As me come up here and chew off, look at this. As me come up here and chew off, first chew. See there? Nice one. Ja. Boy, pretty man. Yes, man. That is number 6. Pandem. A long time I don't say my mind. I say, oh, go on up here now, man. Me I left and flat, I can go stop where do there and make a one show. I say, no, what? And stay down here, say, no, down a Iraq. Upper Iraq, watch it. Ja. First show. Look like them there, so I go see where if I can catch 2 more, you know. So, go and look out on the eye. Is it? Another one bite the dust. Another one bite the dust. Hey, what is that, peeps? Look at that. Another one bite the dust. That is called a grunt. And a butterfish. Butterfish and butterfish over there, so ground there, so. Bombat. Man, play with the road here now. Remember, kill me, I kill them all and done. Dude, bad beating for you in the night. Remember, I tell you, far you luck your name forward. Anybody do forward, I same treatment. Yeah, man. Back out there again, peeps. I wanna hitch up in a man. Them are dead in a man. Nah, hitch up. See me? Okay, my beautiful people. That is it for the day. For the night. Jaja, so go on with. I know you're not dead yet. No, the boy, lobster boy don't dead yet at all. So long and take for dead, man. Just come out I force something to catch, you know. Instead, they are move more. You want to chuck back a water, watch him. Easy yourself, young boy. One to the bucket. Two lobster to the bucket. That one I want to make it over, so. Right. Right, so I'm going with. How do with this? No, sir. You can't go put down? Eh? Alright, so the catch for the night. Not go on bad. Can't go on bad at all, because I never put down nothing out there. I put the lobster on it too. Yeah, man, see me catch there. Tell me if I go on bad. Comment, tell me if I go on bad. Yeah, a night catch that. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Woo-hoo! And the next 6. One does that. Hey! Jaja, look what bad peeps. Big Jack the tequila man, I say, yeah. Go on, boy. So, that is it now, people. You see me? I do there. I'm going to sleep here now. So, until next time, you know, peeps. Stay safe, you see me? Big up on yourself. Respect for the supporters, it as always. Yeah, man. One Blacks. Big up yourself, my boss. Firefox up and running. You see me? All right, man, then big up on yourself, man. Is it? Out.